started this video with question. If you cannot manipulate your hair as you desire, at least sometimes, please tell me what is not the beauty of natural hair. Why are you natural? If you cannot blow dry your hair, if you cannot straighten it, if you cannot change styles, just enjoy your natural hair in different style, why are you natural? Besides, on social media, heat is damaging. My question is your hair plastic? Our hair is not plastic. I've said it on the other video. You are welcome to my channel. Today's video is me telling you how we apply heat to our hair without encountering heat damage. I posted this exactly video a few weeks ago, and a fellow that is very supportive to my boy channel asked, Sister Lazy, how do you do it? Why this hair is not damaging by heat? So this is what the video is all about. Please, if you're interested, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and what, let's deal with it. And I will tell you the things that we use, and I will show it to you in another video so that this video will not be too long. Okay. So number one thing that we got here in Europe, is very difficult to find a good hair dryer or hair straightener. It's very difficult. It's very what? Difficult. There's the one that I desire that is almost 500 euro, but it doesn't work. It's not approved to purchase it, to have it here in Europe, except Canada and every other country out there. But luckily, as God will have his way, I just stumbled on one that now is not like touch not for us. It's very good. On my next video, I'll be showing you. Number one is get a good blow drying machine. After I bought one, two, it is not the third one that is really giving me what I want. Okay, good dryer, because good dryer determine the type of heat that the dryer will provide. 100 euro dryer, 50 euros dryers, the heat that we generate is not the heat that 200 will generate. Okay, that is just that. Number two is, before I apply heat to our natural hair, I make sure that the hair is detangled almost 100%. Because if the hair is not detangled and applying heat now, combing it with heat is what you want to use to straighten it and comb at the same time, the hair must surely pull off immediately. Okay, and this will make you to go over it and over again. It will be painful and all of that. So we make sure the hair is detangled after washing, or anytime we want to apply heat, in order to salvage the life of the hair. Okay, that is number two. Number three, we never apply heat. Should I say never say never? Okay, let's say we never apply heat without heat protector, not the spray but the cream. And I get the most, like the best one, not the one they sell in the supermarket. That's the one they sell 6 euro, but the one that I buy, I use is about minimum of 20 euros. Like not the cheap one. There are one you can just buy in any corner. I don't think they do their work well, so I go for the best product. There are some things I apply to our hair, I go for the best product. There are some things I just feel like, okay, doesn't matter, I go for the middle, not the lowest. Okay, so heat protector, we don't do without it. Okay, the fourth thing that we use, the pace of the dryer that I use determine how close I will apply the heat to the hair. There are some dryer that when we are using it, I keep it distance. There are some dryer that I just keep it close after regulating the heat. I say it again, all dryer does not provide the same heat. There are heat that is hair fire itself. There are heat that, even if, like this one that I use on this hair, you could practically on it and use it to blow your face, direct it on your face. It will not do you any harm, because it is quite regulatable. Is that English? I don't understand that English. It's regulatable. Okay, you can regulate it the way you want it. Even if you even want it cold, you can't. Okay, Then again, I think this is number 5 now. Number 5 thing that we do is when I apply heat, I take a little portion of hair. The reason for that is it is more easy for the heat to for you to get the result that you want. The more big the section of the hair is that you take, the more it takes you time to achieve your goal. In the process of trying to achieve your goal when you are working with big portion of hair, so the upper part will receive excess heat before you get to the middle or the under. I don't know if that makes sense. So to just make things easy for you, what I mean to say, work with smaller portion when you are applying heat to your hair. Okay, I will demonstrate it on a very good day. Okay, I'm done with baby girl. I say just go away, let me do something. So beautiful people, and this big sister, it was the kid sister that traced her hair. So all I did is separate that hair in a way big sister will find it easy to separate later section by section and braid it. So she's the one that will braid kid sister hair after kid sister have braided her own. So the children are growing. This one sitting down here, this beautiful princess here is 13, while the other one is what? Kid sister is 11. So I'll begin to teach you how to do this. I'll be doing it all alone, right? From the very year they were giving birth to. So I can't wait for them to get better and be doing justice to my hair. To be sincere, the beauty of natural hair of woman generally is the possibility, the flexibility, the chance for you to manipulate your hair and carry different style and different look on different occasion. Without that, I don't understand like why are we carrying hair? So that is just it. Please, if you are interested to be successful on your natural hair journey, your hair is drying up, it's breaking, it's not growing, it's not too thick, this channel is a perfect channel to subscribe to get audio tips that you need. Because when we're talking about crazy style that you see out there, we are not into it because our modesty lifestyle. But when we talk simple people, I say let me tell you what I am up to. I'm almost done. Somebody tell me congratulations. I have been here. I washed my hair today and I'm trying to braid by God's grace. Remain only these two twists, then I will be done. Somebody tell me congratulations. I got a special thing to review to you guys very soon. I got magic. This is the reason I'm putting it